how to physically add a node and connect it to the Bolt True Mesh router, NCMC1200 network. Open the Nexxt Home app. On the All Devices screen, tap the NCMC1200 icon. In the bottom right corner of the router's main interface, click on Settings. Go to Maya Wi-Fi. On the How to Add a Node screen, follow the step-by-step instructions to add a second or third node to a mesh system. First, to ensure a strong connection, make sure to place the nodes about 2 rooms apart or no more than 10 meters from each other. Connect the new router to a power source. Insert one end of the power adapter into the corresponding port on the back panel of the new router. Then plug the other end into a wall outlet. The ring-shaped light indicator around the button on the front panel of the router will turn red. Wait about 1 minute. When the light starts blinking blue, the router has entered pairing mode and is ready to connect to the Nexxt Home app. Now press and hold the button on the front panel for 2 seconds. Then go to the app and tap Add Node. Wait a few moments until the app finds and connects the new node to the mesh system. The light indicator will turn red for a few seconds. When the light indicator turns blue on both nodes simultaneously, it means they are connected. Now tap Done in the app. And that's how you physically add a node and connect it to the Bolt True Mesh router, NCMC1200 network.